Now you all must be wondering, what the devil is Maverick up to this evening? Well, it's the enactment of the new twist and turn in the Leon Bailey, Craig Butler, J5 saga. The news emerging is that England is trying to get the Jamaican-born baller to play for them. The verdict is still out on the proof of Bailey's ineligibility because it is still not confirmed that any of his biological grandparents were actually born in England, which must obtain as per the FIFA rules for him to play for England. But that aside, whether the England thing materializes or not, this development supposed to wake up the Jamaica Football Federation. The fact that a big football country like England is showing interest in Leon Bailey, the JFF now has no way out but to create a position, call it director of philosophy or whatever, but give Craig Butler the position he craves. Make we see if Butler is a man of his word and delivers Leon Bailey to Jamaica. In all fairness, Butler has said that his first choice is for Bailey to represent Jamaica. Make we do what we have to do and put the ball back into Butler's court. While we go and hope and pray that the reports out of England are false and or that Bailey does not qualify to play for England. But stay tuned for what promises to be more twists and turns in the Leon Bailey, Craig Butler,